Good morning, friends. We have started new lesson. What is the name of our lesson? The name of our lesson is the singular and plural forms. Okay. And then in singular and plural forms, what do we study? What did we study? We studied about one and many. Correct. There were some examples. One ball, many balls. One girl, many girls. Correct. One girl. When it is singular, that time we use a. If it is consonant word, we use a, and if it is vowel word, we use an. समजते का? ज्यावेळेस आपण एका बद्दल बोलतो त्याच्या अगोदर आपण काय लिहितो? ए लिहितो किंवा अँड लिहितो. जर शब्द if the word starts with a, e, I, o, u, then what we add before that? We add an. And if the word starts with consonants, which are consonants? B, C, D, you know it very well. Which are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. If we talk about all these letters, the words which starts with these letters, before that we use A, and the words which starts with these letters, before that we use an. Okay? And here it is told that if the words are singular, if the word is singular, when we talk of a single person, when we talk of a single thing, now a pen. Now pen word starts with what? P. Then P is what? P is consonant. कळलं? P हा शब्द कशापासून, कोणत्या लेटर पासून स्टार्ट होतो? P. पेन हा शब्द कोणत्या लेटर पासून स्टार्ट होतो? P. मग P च्या अगोदर आपण काय यूज करतो? अ. मग आपण काय म्हणणार? अ पेन. समजलं? इफ आय वॉन्ट टू, मी जर मला तुम्हाला सांगायचं असं एखादा शब्द, फॉर एक्झाम्पल वर्ड विच स्टार्ट्स विथ ई, एग, अंडर. Now egg word starts with which letter? Egg word starts with E letter. Which letter? E letter. So before E we have to write down an. What we have to do? We have to write down an. And here it is told that we write a or an before singular nouns. Single. And if egg is what? One egg. If I will write eggs, before that I cannot write an eggs. No, it is wrong. काय करायचं? जर प्लुरल असला, आपण जर s जोडलेला असता म्हणजे एकापेक्षा जास्त, एक अंड आणि अनेक अंडे. तर अनेक जर असलं की when it is more than one, that time we don't have to write down an. No, we don't have to write an. If it is single one, then before that we have to write down an. Understood? So here it is told that we write a or an before singular nouns. And when we don't write, we do not write a or an before plural nouns. जर प्लुरल असेल, एकापेक्षा जास्त जर असेल तर आपण त्याच्या अगोदर a आणि an हे शब्द लावत नाही किंवा लिहित नाही. ओके? आय विल गिव यू सम एक्झाम्पल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल umbrella, umbrellas. Okay, I want to give you some more examples. For example, lion. Okay, if I want to give you some more examples, now I will give you examples. Now this is U is what? Vowel. L is what? L is consonant. If I give you example of ice cream, ice cream. Now it is one ice cream. So I is what? I is vowel. If I give you example of apples, okay, S is added. Okay, for apples what is added? S is added. If I give you example of O, orange. Okay, if I will give you example of, for example, M, mango, mangoes. Now in these examples, मला तुम्ही हे सांगा, मी एवढे किती शब्द लिहिले? 6 स्पेलिंग्स मी लिहिले. आता कोणत्या स्पेलिंग पुढे ए जोडायचा आणि कोणत्या स्पेलिंग पुढे एन जोडायचं तुम्हाला सांगितलेले. ए, ई, आय, ओ, यू हे असे 5 लेटर जे असतील त्याच्या अगोदर आपल्याला काय वापरायचे? आपल्याला एन वापरायचे. पण बघून घ्यायचे तो सिंग्युलर आहे की प्लुरल आहे. तो वन आहे की मेनी. वन मीन्स व्हॉट सिंग्युलर अँड मेनी मीन्स व्हॉट प्लुरल. कीप इन माइंड. इफ वन बॉल इज देयर then it is a ball, and when we talk about many balls then it is what? It is plural. Then we cannot say a balls. We can only say balls. Okay. So here umbrellas. Umbrellas. S is there. S. So we don't have to write and before that. You will say मॅम ते पण सांगतात यू आहे ना, सर मॅडमने सांगितलेले AEIOU, यू पासून जो शब्द चालू होतो त्याच्या अगोदर अँड जोडायचं. पण लक्षात ठेवायचं की तो शब्द सिंग्युलर आहे का. इट इज सिंगल or what? One? No. Umbrellas is many. So and word will not come before umbrellas. Understood? Lion. Now lion is one. So a lion. I told you if the word is singular, L is what? Consonant. Before consonant we are using A. Understood? Next word is ice cream. Now ice cream, it is ice creams or what? S is added or what? No. So what will be our answer here? An ice cream. Understood? Now apples. If there is one apple, then we are writing and. Why we have written and? Because A is what? A is vowel. A is what? A is vowel. So an apple. But before apples we will write here and or what? No, it is wrong. We don't write and before plurals. We write and before singular. Now orange. Orange is one orange. Ek mosambi. Only one it is. Then before one fruit we put A and which letter will come? A will come or what? Just think. A will come or what before that? Orange? No. Because O is what? O is vowel, and before vowel we use orange O. Before vowels we use an. So it will come what? An orange. Understood? Now mangoes. Mango starts with which letter? M. So we are going to write down A or not before that. If the word was mango, the शब्द जर mango असता, फक्त mango, तर पुढे काय जोडलं असतं? A mango. Understood? But it is what? Mangoes. So we have added es to it. So it is plural and this is singular. Have you understood? An egg singular, eggs plural. An ice cream singular. Umbrellas plural. A lion singular. Apples plural. An apple singular. An orange singular. Mangoes plural. A mango singular. Understood? Have you understood where we have to use A and where we have to use an? See, same way here also it is done in these examples. Can you see these examples? In this example, see it is given a ball. Understood? A ball. Then in plural balls. याच्या अगोदर अ जोडलेला आहे का? नाही. A girl. Plural what? Girls. An owl. Plural what? Owls. A pencil. Plural pencils. A toy. Plural toys. An onion. Plurals onions. Have you understood? When the word is single, ज्यावेळेस तो एक असतो त्यावेळेस आपण त्याला ए किंवा अँड जोडतो. पण लक्षात ठेवायचं ज्यावेळेस तो सिंगल असतो त्यावेळेस बघायचं पहिलं लेटर AEIOU जर स्टार्ट होत असेल तर त्याला काय जोडायचं? अँड. आणि जर वर्ड्स जर कॉन्सोनंट्सनी स्टार्ट होणार असेल तर त्याच्या अगोदर काही ऍड करायचं? वी हॅव टू ऍड A before that. Have you understood lesson till here? Have you understood lesson? Here it is told that when we change a noun from the singular to the plural, we add letter S. Now in tomorrow's period what we are going to study, आपण काय अभ्यास करणार आहोत? आपण हे सगळे पिक्चर्स स्टडी करणार आहोत. One many, one many, one many, one many, one many. one, many. This is one. Find out करायचं आहे. 1 आहे का? Yes, 1. It is 1. Yes. It is 1. Yes. Now eggs are 1 or what? No, many. So then circle we have to do. Now flowers, roses, 4 are there. So it is 1 or what? No, it is more. Pigeon, 1. So this we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay. I think you have understood where to add A, where to add N. Understood? Thank you, and we'll meet tomorrow.